Hi guys, this is Classic. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how I made my very first hibiscus deep conditioner. And I tell you, it came out so absolutely wonderful. Doesn't it look creamy and delicious? So if you're interested in this video, keep watching. Alright, so how I began with making this concoction is I started with my own personal shea butter mixture. This is my creamy concoction that I made personally. I took 2 scoops of this butter, and let me tell you, I thought that I had put too much in the beginning, but it actually came out pretty good, and I'm so glad that I did put this in. And then I followed up with 2 scoops of the Aunt Jackie's Cocoa Cream Deep Conditioner. And this particular cream, my hair loves it. It's great for 4C hair, and it leaves your hair very soft and manageable. I actually love it. I followed it up with this Amla. I went ahead and put that in, and y'all know Amla, it adds curl definition. I ended up putting 2 tablespoons of this in. And Amla is very rich in vitamin C and minerals, and it helps to increase scalp circulation, and it stimulates hair growth. It also thickens your hair. I've been using this for a while, and I love it. The next thing is the star of the show. It is the hibiscus powder. And you guys, I am getting so into this hibiscus powder. I'm loving this right now. Y'all gonna see a lot of this on my channel. I put a couple of scoops of this as well, 2 tablespoons into it. And hibiscus is good for scalp health as well. It generates hair growth too, and it manages the pH balance. So I followed up with raw honey, and I used this particular tablespoon originally to put this in to my concoction, to my mixture. But what I ended up doing off camera was I squeezed a little bit more in there to add a little bit more into my mixture, because it just wasn't enough. And y'all already know honey is a natural humectant. It draws in moisture. This right here is my homemade neem oil, or my DIY neem oil. And neem oil is great for scalp health as well. I put in a few drops of the rosemary oil, rosemary essential oil, and y'all know that rosemary oil prevents your hair follicles from being starved from blood flow. It helps to stimulate the blood flow. The next thing that I added is avocado oil. Now let me tell you about avocado oil. It is so rich in monounsaturated fats, and it actually penetrates your hair shaft, and it moisturizes your hair shafts rather than sitting on top of your hair, so rather than coating it. So it gets really down in there. And so I began to just stir this up, and here I am mixing it all in. But I love to use avocado oil in a lot of my stuff, and it's actually in my butter as well. So yeah, so now I'm stirring it all up, and there you go. Let you guys enjoy this. Enjoy the music. And there you have it. It's coming together. It looks so good, and I was so happy. This is my first time doing this, and I was excited about making this mixture and using hibiscus. The texture of it wasn't coming out quite as creamy as I wanted it, so I began to add castor oil to it. I decided to add castor oil to it, and as you're going to see, it came out perfect. It came out the right consistency that I wanted it, and there you go. And you guys, I am so glad I did this concoction. I'm so glad that I found this deep conditioner, this DIY. I love it. And I put it in my hair. I let it sit for a couple of hours, and the rest is history. My hair was so moisturized and so loving it. So here is the shower scene. Enjoy. After I got done, I rinsed it out, and just before I be quiet, I'm just going to tell you guys right now, my hair felt so much softer. It felt strengthened, and it does not dye your hair. As you can see, my scalp has a little redness to it, but it does not stain your hair at all. I did have the gloves on because the red dye from the hibiscus flower will stain your nails, and it will stain your clothing, but it does not stain or discolor or change the color of your hair at all. So there I am, just rinsing it out, and I thank my roommate for being in there with me, and yes, I am dressed in the shower. So anyway, enjoy, you guys. I really enjoyed this concoction. I enjoyed this deep conditioner. I will be doing more DIYs with hibiscus this coming year. You guys stay tuned for more. Thank you guys for watching. If you stay to the end of this video, go ahead and smash that subscribe button or that like button. Don't cost you a dime. And while you're here, just go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way, when I upload more videos, you will be notified. All right, and I will be bringing you guys more videos, more DIY videos, and more updates on my alopecia and things I am doing to grow my hair back, and the things that I am doing, and the things that I'm doing to grow my hair, and the different products I'm using and supplements that I'm taking for my gut health. All right, you guys, y'all be blessed. Have a good one. Remember to always be kind, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.